Is the Kakapo Parrot one of the world's rarest and most unique birds? It is critically endangered, with fewer than 250 individuals remaining. Native to New Zealand, this flagless bird has been severely impacted by introduced predators like rats and habitat destruction. Conservationists have focused on breeding programs and establishing predator-free islands to protect the kakapo. These efforts have led to a slight increase in the population, but experts warn that the species is still at risk of disappearing without continued intervention. The kakapo's future depends on ongoing conservation efforts, said Dr. Emily Roberts, a leading biologist involved in the recovery program. That's all, SILFA FADILATUL MAELA news for me.